This is Kevin.
And I represent the Filipino LGBT community.
I found out about Kevin from Deanna, who showed me her social media channels. It didn't take me much digging to see what kind of role model she is among the LGBT community, not only here in the Philippines, but all over the world. She has been a frontrunner in voicing out for toleration and acceptance. Kevin, hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah.
Where are you from in the Philippines?
I'm from the province of Tarlac. It's like 3 hours drive away from here.
When did you know that you were a woman? Like, were you born, like, when you were 2, 3, 4, or was there a moment that, like, something triggered?
Like every time I keep seeing myself in front of the mirror naked. I was like, this is not what I want.
As a humble celebrity, Kevin won the biggest transgender beauty pageant in the entire world.
I won a beauty pageant like in the year 2012. That was like the most grandest transgender beauty pageant for us. It's just like the Miss Universe for us.
And what is your job?
Aside from social media influencing, I run my own business in the province.
And I know something about Pantene. You were the first transgender to be sponsored.
Actually, I saw this campaign Pantene in Thailand, and I'm really lucky that finally Pantene decided to be open getting transgender women as one of the ambassador. I'm really lucky that they took me.
Okay, so what advice do you have for people who are trying to come out?
Don't be afraid to express yourself and be who you are. It's really hard for you to live your life hiding something, right? You should express yourself a lot. You should start now, because if not now, when?
Have you received a lot of backlash?
No, I don't care about backlash.
Good.
Yeah.
You just like throw it out the window?
I'm always like that. Like,
good. What was her family's reaction?
initial reaction is they're really mad because, like, especially my dad. I was born the only boy in the family wherein my dad, she had a big expectation from me regarding my life, and that's it.
And how does it feel to be a role model to people in the LGBT community, not only in the Philippines, but like worldwide, I think? Like, how does it feel?
I didn't know about that. I'm just living my life the way I think it's right. I just want to be happy, and I think being happy, it's not the wrong thing to do, right? And I keep telling my friends that they need to be grateful. You guys need to be grateful. You need to appreciate small things, because by appreciating small things, it has a big impact in everything.
What's next? What's next in life? What are your next dreams, goals, and
I know, I want to travel the world. I want to explore everything.
Personally, as I travel, I've noticed a global uprising for acceptance among LGBT members. While a few countries are going in the opposite direction, an overwhelming majority are becoming more tolerant, and it's wonderful to see. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.